So she's so bad.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to be testing out
15 months.
these 4 hot sauces
Running around with popsicles in her
on
hand.
a piece of pork chop. So, I am going to try, and I'm going to let my daughter try it too.
That's Genesis, yeah?
Try one. So we're going to try this hot sauce.
Oh, this internet sucks sometimes. Huh?
Go ahead.
Yeah, man, I can't stand this internet sometimes.
It's loading, but it's taking its
It's taking a long time, huh?
It's not that bad. Yeah, it's
1
not
hour
that
and
bad.
45 minutes.
Good.
You know? And the last time we traveled on a plane, oh my God, it was just so uncomfortable.
Would you eat that again?
It was a little tiny
I would.
plane.
It's not that
And, you know, it wasn't, you know, the small planes are
Next
very
one is this one?
uncomfortable.
Right.
But the big ones, you
We're
know,
going to
it's
try a
better.
piece. Jenny.
You feel every bump in the
Sorry,
small
my daughter's in the
planes.
back. We're going to try this one, y'all. I don't know. This one looks kind of scary. I'm
You
scared.
guys had a lot of turbulence when you guys were coming back.
This flight, yes, we did. Coming back.
I wonder why.
I don't know.
Ugh. It don't taste that good.
Was you guys scared?
I mean, if you like Chipotle sauce,
I try not to get negative.
not for us, and hot sauce, I got it. It do not taste that good.
Uh-huh, yeah.
No.
Yeah, and you know, I don't feel scared, so.
I'm gonna have to get that out of me though.
Next.
I'm
Yeah,
just
I
gonna
try to be very lax with things because stressing is just not good.
stress is not good.
I don't know.
Yeah, so.
You gonna try it, alright?
Free mentality.
Now you
That
see.
way I don't stress,
Alright.
you know?
Right, because stress is not good. It's not good at all.
It's not that bad for me. I ain't that bad. I ain't that bad.
Just gonna
That is not that
pack a
bad.
little bag and then, you know,
Good eye. So next, we're gonna be
pack a
trying
little bag
this
and
one.
then get away.
Y'all
from
probably can't see it.
Exactly.
Good eye.
Try to do that from time to time to get
Now,
away.
cayenne
because
pepper. Cayenne
It's
pepper.
crazy.
Very.
Have you been checking out Spice, Sean Paul and Shaggy?
Yes, I love spice.
Me too, I love Spice, man. I stayed up late last night just to see her and Jimmy Kimball.
It's not that bad, y'all.
And
These three,
she was on Good Morning America
It's
last
not that
week.
bad.
She and Shaggy and Sean Paul, they team up together. And she's gonna be on Wendy Williams this Friday again. Sean
No, I
Paul,
mean-
Shaggy and her.
it's good.
Yes, I love them. I love her though.
So,
Her
1 out of 10, what do you rate
personality
this?
It's
I
very
rate that
nice.
a
I
10
know
and a
she
half.
team up with
9.
Shaggy. She's gonna get
I'll
Shaggy's
give it a
gonna
9 and a
make her
half.
get really,
A 9
really
and
to
a
the
half.
top.
This,
Right.
0.
Cause you know
0.
Shaggy's really popular.
This,
Yeah, but you guys.
a 9 and a half. I like this.
You what?
This is a 10 for me. Yeah, this is a 9 and a half.
What you said
I
on
like
me?
that. And this one,
I think Shaggy died down.
I would
a little,
say like
but,
a
Sean Paul's still
a
up
good
there.
8.
Oh,
Like a
Shaggy
good
coming
7.
back,
I
man.
like it. Okay,
Yeah,
yeah,
you're coming
so
back.
we will be back
Sean Paul is
with
still in
more
Jamaica, though.
videos. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel
I didn't
for
know
more
that he lives in
videos
Jamaica.
and things like that, okay? And make sure you subscribe to her channel. Her channel is pink_Naomi Gang.
Uh-huh,
Okay,
you cut out for a minute.
Subscribe to her channel.